Hello, welcome back guys to Spotaria channels here. Today in this video I'm going to show you a tutorial how to share movies in Prime videos on iPhone. But before it, I hope you guys click subscribe and the bells button to support this channel. And so now without any further ado, let's get started with the video. Well guys, if you want to share the movies from Prime Video, simply you just have to open it first, and also you have to make sure that your phone is already connected to the internet. So for example, here I'm gonna share this video or movies, and after we'll find out here the share icon at the bottom. Just tap on it and it will be look like this, guys. In this pop-up, you can choose the social media that you want to share to these movies, or simply you can choose these contacts that deserve from your WhatsApp, guys. You can share it to your Facebook here, to your Instagram, Google Drive, and etc. And yeah, I think it's enough for me. Thank you for watching this video. Don't forget to leave your like and comments below, and I'll see you soon on the next one. Goodbye.